Hey there, foodies! Welcome back to Taste of America, iconic foods that shaped a nation. I'm Ria, your culinary guide. Today, we're diving into a dish that's creamy, cheesy, and the ultimate comfort food, macaroni and cheese. Macaroni and cheese. Is there anything more comforting? This dish has a rich history that dates back to the 18th century. It's believed that Thomas Jefferson encountered this delightful dish in France and brought the recipe back to the United States. Since then, it has become a staple in American kitchens, beloved by children and adults alike. Over the years, mac and cheese has evolved from a simple baked dish to include a variety of styles and ingredients, becoming a versatile favorite that can be found on menus across the country. Now let's talk ingredients. The classic mac and cheese recipe includes elbow macaroni, the classic pasta shape for this dish, cheddar cheese for that rich, cheesy flavor, milk and butter to create a creamy sauce, flour for thickening the sauce, for a healthier twist, you can use "I can't believe it's not butter" as a dairy-free alternative that doesn't compromise on taste. While we are at it, here's a quick disclaimer. None of the brands, products, or restaurants we mention in this video endorse the video or its contents in any way. We just love them for their contributions to making America plate again. But what if you're trying to be healthier? Don't worry, my health-conscious friends. We've got some great variations. You could also try gluten-free pasta from Taste Republic that works perfectly in mac and cheese. And if you're looking for a lower-calorie version, Nutrisystem offers a delicious mac and cheese option that fits perfectly into a balanced diet. For an extra nutritional boost, try adding some South Mill mushrooms to your mac and cheese. They add a great umami flavor and extra nutrients. Now, let's talk about where to get the best mac and cheese in the USA. Here are some of my personal favorites. As with the brands, I would like to say that none of these restaurants are endorsing this video or its contents in any way. First up, Homeroom in Oakland, California. Known for their classic and creative variations, this spot is a mac and cheese lover's paradise. Next, we have Smack in New York City, which stands for Sarita's Macaroni and Cheese. They offer everything from traditional to exotic flavors, all crafted to perfection. So there you have it, folks. The history, the ingredients, the variations, and the best places to satisfy your mac and cheese cravings. Macaroni and cheese truly is a dish that defined America. Now go forth and enjoy some creamy, cheesy goodness. Next time, we'll be diving into the world of clam chowder. So hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments what your favorite mac and cheese variation is. Until then, stay cheesy, America.